Hello and welcome to another update on AVAX Avalanche. If you like the content, the analysis, make sure you subscribe, leave a like. And what we do in this video, we're going to take a look here at the 4-hour time frame, and I will share with you the outlook, support levels, next resistances, and targets based on the Elliott wave analysis we are using here. Well, what you see here on the chart is a potential ABC structure we're tracking here to the upside. That's here on the 4-hour chart, 1-hour time frame. What is really relevant? The current thesis is that we could be dealing with a corrective rally here. It might turn into something more bullish, but in the short term, what we've been tracking here is a potential AB structure or setup, and now a C wave to the upside. The thing is, this here is a 3-wave move up, best I can tell. It might be 5 waves, but then it's very ugly. So, I mean, in the end, we considered this to be a 1-2 setup here, but because this looks more like a 3-wave move, I consider this move to the upside a C wave in an ending diagonal. Again, that's just Elliott wave rules and guidelines. What interests most of you is like probably what is support and what are the next resistances and targets. So again, the microstructures here in this internal third wave, they might change. I'm currently tracking this as an A, B, C structure, but it might eventually be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll see. The difference is, there's not really a major difference here at the moment. What really matters is to understand what are now the key levels that need to hold to keep this upside momentum intact. I mean, AVAX is broken above the recent highs, right? Here, these previous swing highs. That was a further confirmation that we've actually started the journey to the next move up in a third wave. Question is, what are the next targets? We've broken clearly above resistance, so now the market is on the move. Do we see any other obvious resistances? Not structurally, but from a Fibonacci point of view, the way to identify key targets, the first way is here. We take the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B wave, because the 100% extension target is normally an ideal target for any altcoin rally. But that's quite low. I mean, that's here at $28.62. So we're already slightly beyond that, which is actually good. Because if the microstructure is correct at all that I'm tracking here, then we should be dealing with this, an extended C wave, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And so the overall target normally for a third wave is the 138% extension of the initial wave 1. So we take the length of the wave 1. The projection points towards $44.30. That seems far away. So we'll see if we get there. But as long as upside momentum remains intact, that would be a target. And the key level here that must hold, I mean, I would use this last low. $23.90, which is far away also from where we are now. So we're kind of mid-range now. This is clearly, I mean, there's no, from an Elliott wave point of view at least, there's no reasonable trade location here unless you're a momentum trader. But from an Elliott wave perspective, the pullbacks were the opportunity, like in the support area. Here it reached a 50% retracement. That's healthy for a pullback. Yeah, that's not a shallow pullback. That's a normal pullback where you have to expect the reversal. So yeah, for now, momentum is up. As long as we're holding $23.90, we should get to $44.30. Again, it seems far away. I don't fully trust this chart, but that would be the pathway for higher prices for now. Yeah, so I think we can be carefully optimistic. Yeah, be cautious still. This is not an impulse overall, best I can tell. It might be a diagonal pattern, so we have to be cautious because these patterns often are fragile. But for now, upside momentum remains intact, and we'll see if the market can get to 44.31 next. Yeah. Well, that being said, I mean, we could still add the 100% extension level here of this 1-2 setup. Again, I mentioned these are often targets or resistances. It's not really a target. It can be a resistance level, 35.88. I'd say there's a really good likelihood we get a rejection there, or at least market will at least kind of stall there. Find it difficult to push through. So I'll keep you updated about that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to check out our membership. The gold membership gives you access to a lot of additional updates and also I invite you to join us on X for additional updates, charts, much more. I'll be there after this video. If you have any questions, post them here. Yeah, see you over there. The link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.